Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your content permissions with Bufferteam, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your content permissions with the Bufferteam, start by logging into your Buffer account. Navigate to the settings menu located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the content permissions section. Click on that option to open the permissions page. You will see a list of all the accounts you have connected to Buffer. For each account, check the permissions granted for your content. If you notice any discrepancies, click on the Edit button next to the respective account. This will allow you to adjust the permissions as needed. Make sure you have the appropriate rights for any content you plan to share. If you are unsure about your permissions, it's a good idea to consult with your team or legal department. After making any necessary changes, be sure to save your updates. Test your permissions by attempting to schedule a post using the content in question. If everything is set correctly, your post should go through without any issues. If you encounter problems, consider reaching out to the Buffer support team for assistance. They can provide additional guidance on resolving permission-related issues. Once your permissions are verified, you can confidently manage your content on Buffer. Remember to periodically review your content permissions to avoid any future issues. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth experience when using Buffer for your content sharing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.